What if the universe hides a secret doorway that humanity was never meant to discover? A place beyond space, beyond time, where reality itself begins to break apart the closer you get. In the year 2089, humanity launched its most advanced deep space mission, sending the Orion-X spacecraft beyond known boundaries to explore the mysterious edge of the universe. The mission's target was a strange and powerful black hole named Nix 9, a cosmic object so massive that even light disappears into its endless gravity. On board the Orion-X were 5 astronauts, each trained for extreme survival, yet none of them truly understood what awaited them beyond deep space. As they left Earth behind, the planet slowly faded into a small blue memory, while the silence of the universe grew heavier and more unsettling. Days turned into months as they traveled deeper into space, where no sound exists, no wind blows, and time itself begins to feel strange. Then, suddenly, they saw it for the first time. A massive black hole bending light, stars, and even the fabric of reality around it. The closer they approached, the more reality seemed unstable, as if space itself was being rewritten in real time by an invisible force. Inside the ship, instruments began to malfunction, and the crew realized something terrifying. Time was no longer flowing normally. Dr. Lena explained that they were experiencing time dilation, where gravity near a black hole slows time dramatically compared to Earth. But what they discovered next was even more impossible. A glowing energy tunnel forming near the black hole, something that should not exist. Dr. Lena identified it as a wormhole, a theoretical bridge connecting distant points in space and possibly even different timelines forever. Commander Ethan finally made the decision. They would move forward, into the unknown, trusting science over fear and instinct. As they crossed the event horizon of the black hole, reality began to collapse, and space itself twisted into impossible shapes around them. Light stretched into endless lines. Gravity became chaotic, and every law of physics they understood began to break apart. Suddenly, everything went silent, as if the universe itself had stopped breathing, leaving the crew floating in absolute nothingness. Then, a burst of blinding light appeared, and the Orion-X was pulled violently into the glowing wormhole tunnel. Inside the wormhole, colors and dimensions shifted constantly, showing glimpses of places that do not belong to any known universe. The crew felt reality stretching and folding around them, as if time, space, and existence were becoming liquid. After what felt like both seconds and centuries, they suddenly emerged into a completely unknown galaxy with 3 burning suns. Strange planets floated in the sky, glowing with colors never seen before, confirming they were no longer in their original universe. They landed cautiously on a mysterious planet covered in alien structures and ruins that looked millions of years old. Inside those ruins, they discovered something shocking: signs of advanced intelligence that no longer existed. Deep underground, they activated a holographic message that revealed a terrifying truth about their own mission. The message showed astronauts wearing Orion-X suits, but the recording date was decades in the future, proving time had been broken. Before they could understand it fully, alarms began screaming. The wormhole was collapsing, and reality was tearing apart again. They raced back to their ship as the entire alien world started disintegrating, space itself folding into destruction. They escaped just in time, returning near Earth, but everything had changed. Humanity had evolved, and 312 years had already passed.